It's the Nature Kids here, and today we are making a video of finding bugs. Hey guys, we're gonna look for bugs today, and we're gonna say what creatures they are. First, let's go with the violin spider, the mama, aka a brown recluse, one of the most poisonous. Then we found a brown recluse about to eat a beetle or whatever it is. Pretty cool. We'll check on it later. Look, there's a bug right there. Hold on, let me zoom in. That looks like a dead grasshopper or something. We found a cicada shell. And another one. Yeah, cicadas have been dying for the past few days. Guys, Nature Kids here, and in this video we found a spider sucking the blood out of a bug. Yeah, it's pretty cool. My mom doesn't want to see it though, so. Found this. The spider is sucking the blood out of the animal. Look at that. That is so cool. Nice. Whoa. And then after that, it's gonna make food for the babies that hatch. That's the dad though, right there. That I think is sucking the blood, and then the mama I think is just chilling right there.
Wait, no, but the moms are bigger than the dads.
It's spiders. Yes.
And humans.
Oh, look at that. It's moving a lot.
Whoa. It's eating.
Oh, this is definitely gonna go viral. I kind of feel bad for the bug though.
Yeah. Yeah.
And she would like it.
Yeah, I think she would. I like.
It's like vampires.
I like to eat sushi and donut holes and drink Capri Sun juice. That's what I like to eat.
Ooh, what is it doing? What is it doing? Hey guys, that's all for this video. The bug is probably dead now, but that's all for this video, and bye.